When Love Begins by Florence. I always knew that love would come find me someday, but never did I know that it would be you who was headed my way. You caught me off guard and took me by surprise, but you simply captivated me the same way you do when I look into your eyes. It's true that every good and perfect gift is from above. You were presented to me as a beautifully packaged gift full of humor, talent, intelligence, beauty, and love. It isn't finding the perfect person, but learning to see an imperfect person perfectly. We all have our flaws, but when I view you through my eyes, perfection is all I see. From when you laugh to when you're upset, I still love the little things you do, especially hearing you laugh and seeing your nose wrinkle the same way mine does too. Coming into this relationship has been hard at times, but we've made it through. I know as long as we're on this journey together, there's nothing that we can't do. Sometimes I wonder if what we have is too good to be true, too scared to get my heart broken, and scared of the thought of losing you. But in the end, I trust in the author and perfecter of what I believe, because what we ask for him, we in return shall receive. Where your treasure is, your heart will be also, is how the saying goes. I may not know what tomorrow may bring, for God is the only one who knows. The one thing I do know is that you are my one and only, a treasure in my heart that I want to devote my whole life to completely. I know I don't need to prove my feelings to know they're true, because what I've known in my past doesn't come close to the experience I've shared with you. I've had the experience of being in relationships before. However, this is the first time I've been truly happy that I couldn't ask for anything more. It's an honor to know that I am yours as you are mine, and I trust God that He'll bring us together in His beautiful time. For now, I'll be waiting patiently for that day when we'll be together, that precious moment in time when I'll say, it's you that I want to be with forever. God made everything beautiful, precious, and new, just as beautiful and precious as the day will be when I look into your eyes and say, I love you. When Love Begins by Florence.